How's it going, guys? My name is Jonathan. I am showing you today how to replace spark plugs on a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherroke Laredo 4x4 to V6. I already took the 4 screws out for the ignition coil. I actually got one more left. All the way in the back. I can get my fucking ratchet on it. It's just gonna be a tight bitch, isn't it? Oh, there it goes. You gotta be careful. You gotta mind yourself because there's hoses and everything else in your way. You gotta move. You don't gotta really move. Unbolt nothing else. You just gotta pretty much just move with your hand. You see me hitting that fucking oil fill port. Now you actually take these hoses out. Move them out of my way. Right now, so where I can pull this bolt out. So these do got never sees on them. I'll show you the other bolts. I think this one has never sees. It should. No, this one hardly has never sees on it, but it should. The other bolts I got have never sees. My light right here. Have the never sees like right here. It should have never sees, but in this case, this bolt doesn't have any. As you can see, this bolt has got the never sees right on it. Now I can do is finish pulling the coil pack. Oh, is that just a bracket? Yeah, okay, so I can finish pulling the coil pack. And the connector's all the way the fuck back there, isn't it? It is. There's a connector up here. Now, the harness connector's in the back, so let me pull this ignition coil off. Pull the ignition coil off and pull the coils out of there. Come on. Yeah, there it goes. And yes, I'm reusing the same coil pack. I know you guys are gonna scream, but I'm sorry. But it's just what I gotta do. Try to, because I don't feel like doing a reach around here. Let's see, can I pull that out or no? No, I can't because the fucking harness. Oh, there it goes. All right, so let's see here. Can I pull it this way? As you can see, I'm struggling with pulling the coil out. Here it comes. All right, so now, they're all sitting right on top. Nice. Let's crack one loose and see what we got. I'm gonna start with the which one can you guys see? This one right here. Oh, no, this one right here. See me touching? No. This one right here. I'm gonna start with. It's got dielectric on it. And yes, I did buy OEM for my car because I care about my car. I'm also doing an oil change at the same time. But they're not even tight. No, they're fucking tight. It's just fucking socket doesn't want to fit on there. What the fuck? There it goes. I might actually have to grab my 6-inch extension for these. Those came out no problem. That one came out no problem at least. Or came loose no problem. Let me try this one now. Let me grab a bigger extension for you guys. This one should work right here, a little bit longer. Extension with a Matco lock and flex head ratchet. So let's see. Let's go full. Where can I sit you guys? Battery? Nope, not gonna think shit. Put you on top of the joy. So, you see me? Nope. It'd be better if I had a GoPro with me, but I don't. So this is what we got tonight, fellas. Spark plugs, and some general maintenance. I still got one more, right? Yeah, I still got one more all the way closest to me. Let's see if I can get this one out. Oh, there it goes. Oh, these are just being such good to me. Oh, man. I'm being happy right now. I'm so fucking happy. Excuse me for cursing, but, I mean, first time doing spark plugs by myself. That's a good ball. That view's actually better. Sorry about the drop, guys. But I'm back. Where the hell did my... Don't tell me it fell back there. I can stay there. Where did... Oh, there it is. So I'm just taking these all apart. These all out, I should say, not apart. Running them out by hand. Good bit of the way. So I know they're done. Oh, that one's out. Oh yeah, these spark plugs are chowdered up. Yeah, someone put dielectric on it, which I'm not going to. I didn't pick up any dielectric. I'm gonna see if the shop next door has them. Just look how chowdered up this spark plug is. See the rust and everything around it and everything else. You can see all the carbon build up. You can see that these need to be changed. It's all rotted, corroded right there, so it had a tendency to break. Thank God it never did. Let me finish getting these out for you. See what the rest of them look like. Here's this one. Oh God. Look how bad that electric is burned right there. See it? Oh my God, that's chowdered up really bad. I think it was time to do a spark plug service on this car. That's gonna be the bitch. I did not buy a coil pack, I know, but here's another one. Got that dielectric on it. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it has it. These were replaced before. let's see, did I crack this one loose already? Hold on, I gotta take the fucking alternator apart. You're gonna be the bitch, aren't you? You're gonna be a son of a monkey to get out, aren't you? The way you sit. What I'm gonna actually do, I'm gonna take the negative battery cable off. Make sure nothing's on, everything's off. And I'm gonna disconnect the battery. The only reason I'm doing this is so that I don't short nothing with the alternator there. I know people are gonna say, why we disconnect the batteries, but if you don't disconnect the battery and shit goes down, you're fucked. Let's put this back here. Oh, this is gonna be. Who's that here? Grab. Oh, I pull the fucking. Alright, hold on. Good, alright. It didn't pop out on me, thank God. Let's see here. These never got anti-seize on them, by the way. You should put anti-seize on them. The copper. Look how rotted and corroded this one is. You can see this one too, with the what? Oh, hello.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah.
Damn. I'm sorry.
You good?
Hello all. Don't put me on camera.
Really? It's already recording. It's been recording ever since I started.
I'm on camera.
I know.
Well, not just for that, for the light like I got.
Yeah, I know. I got one, but it's dead. That's dead. That one was a piss. Yeah, I got it.
I thought you were myself. I called myself.
No,
I love the answers.
Yeah, I'm just trying to.
Yeah.
Well, I got 4 of them out. Look how chowdered up they are. Look how corroded they are. No one put anti-seize on them. No one put nothing on them.
Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to put that on.
Huh?
I'm supposed to put something on, huh?
Yeah, you're supposed to put anti-seize on them. Either copper or regular.
Yeah, it's worn out. How many miles on this motor?
204.
No, 60,000 on the motor, right?
Well, the motor was rebuilt before I got it.
Well, I'm sure they did that when they were.
But I don't know if they did. Look how bad that one's chowdered. Look at that. Nothing wet on it, but I mean, in the bottom, on mine, the bottom of the oil pan's all soaking wet. Yes, I'm doing an oil change with this guy. I'm doing a 50K service with an oil change.
I don't think they did a rebuild, man. I think they threw a fucking motor in here.
Huh?
They didn't paint it or nothing? 60,000 miles?
Yeah.
They're liars.
I know they are.
Liars!
I got my oil drain, my oil's fucking black. It hit black when I took it out, so I knew. I knew right away.
On oil will be black.
I got, this is what I got to put in it.
Synthetic? Got some synthetic?
No, yeah, hold it better. I see the battery going.
I think that's what I put in, Mobile 1. I did high mileage though.
I got full synthetic. Spark plugs, wall filter. How does this look? Video still looking good? Video still looking good.
So why do you want to sell it? I'm
I
not
don't
looking
know.
to buy it.
I don't know if I am or not. It depends.
You're wrong.
If I am or if I'm not, it depends. Let's see if I can get this back. That's bad. Now that connector was a pain to get off.
Oh my God, I broke the red part. I hate those things.
It wasn't even on mine.
There's a guy like me out there.
I hate this fucking ratchet back here. Yeah. Huh?
I ain't got no more flashlights on me.
You're good. Yeah, but the connector's sitting right there. And I don't think mine had the red lock on it. So I was able just to pull it right off.
Yeah, no, it didn't. Either that or it wasn't engaged.
It had the red lock on it, but it broke off. I can see it from right there.
Yeah, I always break the end off where you gotta press and push through. I have nothing problems with those things.
I have nothing. Same here.
Little tiny fingers.
I got big boy fingers.
My boss does too, but he knocks some things out like nothing.
What the?
Them fucking plugs, the red thing and the fucking thing. He's like, you big dumb motherfucker.
Oh,
Listen, you do the brake lines? Somebody did them.
yeah, they were redone when I was in Maryland.
They stand this.
Yeah.
No, these Jeeps just rust. They're known for it.
Huh?
These Jeeps are known for rusting.
Oh, I know they are. I don't know how the fuck that got there.
Is it your brand?
Huh? No.
Marble. Marble mint.
No. I don't know who the fuck put that there.
Yeah, eventually I'm gonna do that. He did some of them.
What?
He can do stainless to brake lines.
What brake lines?
Everything's rusted on that fucking thing.
I know. I had this is the last spark plug, and then I gotta put them all back in. I take them all out before I. Oh, thank God! Look how bad this is. Hope you guys could see it with the video and the lighting, but I mean, if you can't, there it is. And I'm trying to get the camera to focus here on the tip and trying to see all the corrosion on there and everything else. It's bad, real bad.
That's what I call a poop and bladder situation.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at these brand new ones I got.
Was it running rough or?
Bucking. On started up, it was bucking. I mean, oil consumption. I mean, everything. So I got to replace these.
So I got Bosch.
I got OEM NGKs to replace the champions I had. So someone did spark plugs before me. So we got 6 of them.
I got Bosch.
Huh?
I got what they had.
This is the OEM.
I want the quads. I don't. The OEMs to an extent, but not all the time for me.
Now there's no torque spec on spark plugs.
Yeah, you really?
There's not.
There should be.
There's not because it's just a flat washer. Now I gotta see if I have NICs.
If not, I might have some over there. How you like this thing? This little.
What is it? Towing wheels? I
I
love
call
them.
them thinking bobs.
I love them. I love them.
Here's your camera.
Huh? Yeah, I don't know.
All snap. Yeah, you're missing your piece.
Where?
Right here. I can show you on mine.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. If you had it, I could fix it for you, but yeah, that's why
Well, what the fuck's in, what the hell? Oh,
they
that's
just
the...
snapped. My boss wasn't lying.
Huh?
I didn't think he was, but my boss,
Yeah.
Jay, told me, he says, no matter, I put a couple of them on, well, they just fucking break. Because it's all one piece behind it.
We had a bore scope where maybe a whole bunch of shit, like rust and stuff is right in the
You
cylinder.
want to look? I got a camera.
You got a bore scope?
Well, I think that's what it's called, a little round camera from Milwaukee.
Yeah, it goes into the cylinder. That's really small.
Yeah. You really want to look?
And there's just a whole bunch of crap on the outside.
It's in my van.
In the van?
My work van.
Oh, it's in the van? Nah, I'm good. I'm gonna put some NICs on this.
Yeah, make
You
good
should
with
really use copper NICs, but I mean, yeah, these are the, I checked the part number. These are the OEMs. You can buy these at fucking, excuse my language, guys. You can buy these at lawnmower shops. They make these for lawnmowers. I used to work at a lawnmower shop. These are the ones we put in. A lot of our Briggs and Strattons were NGKs, ZFR 5Ns.
One more shop you work at.
When I was in Maryland. Now I don't slather them with the Never Sneeze. I just...
Yeah, that's what you gotta tell the camera. Pretty good commentation.
Yeah.
Never sneeze.
Never sneeze.
I'm gonna throw this in the garbage. You ain't gonna get in trouble, right?
What? No.
Actually, you know what? I ain't gonna bother. It ain't worth it. I'll throw it outside.
So there, we got Never Sneeze on the plug. Oh, this light's a little dim. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's Never Sneeze on there.
You put this on out online?
What?
Your podcast or whatever it was.
Probably.
I'm thinking about doing it. I'm a funny motherfucker.
First video on the YouTube. I disconnected my battery, so nothing's gonna spark.
Yeah.
I made sure of that.
Sometimes I do. Sometimes I feel like a nut, sometimes I don't.
Yeah, there should be no torque spec, because you just be tight to tight.
Yeah, I go like this and I go.
Yeah, a little bit more, right?
Yeah, a little bit more. When you go too much, you ain't good.
Yeah, I thought these were down into the sat down into the engine more.
I did too.
Dude, I got.
Why'd you take the whole coil pack out? You didn't have to do that.
Yeah, you did. Change the plugs here.
I took the plugs out, put them in with the coil pack, just laying there.
How? Well, I wanted the room because I'm shooting a video.
Nah, true.
But I mean,
And I took it out because it said you got to read the ohms on it.
no, I'll show you how to do that. I'll show you guys too how to do that, by the way. It should get really tight and then just a little bit more, right?
Yeah, like I take my fingers, like one or two fingers, not my whole hand.
Really?
You seem to be a bigger
There
guy,
you
so
go.
you might be really strong. So you know.
Yeah, that should work. If it don't, I'll pull it back off and tighten them all down and get it from misfires.
You got stuff. I wish I had a freaking flashlight on.
What?
That third cylinder, I don't know what number cylinder it is. See the shit in the bottom
Yeah.
right there?
At the bottom.
No, the bottom where the threads are. You see it?
Oh yeah, I see it.
Compressor?
Huh?
You got a
Yeah,
compressor?
we got a compressor.
I stick it in, blow, and back out.
Blow
Or if
down
you
the-
got a vacuum, you can do it that way too.
I don't feel like doing that tonight though.
You got shit down in the cylinders, man.
I know. These I never sneeze on them too. And I called Napa or Advanced and they don't have them at all.
Bolts?
Yeah. Yeah, where?
Napa's usually pretty good with that kind of shit.
Huh?
Napa's usually
No,
good with
not
bolts.
Napa. It was Advanced. I called them.
Yeah, fuck. They're all Stemma Advance and Pep Boys all on it. They're fucking a joke.
You're supposed to be using copper. Never sneeze on these, but I don't have copper. I just got the regular old
It's better than nothing, man.
Permatex silver. So that's what we're using today. I don't know why somebody wouldn't put OEM parts back on an engine, because OEM parts will make the engine run better. Because I got OEM oil too.
Be a devil advocate on that one.
Well, OEM oil is just Mobil 1 high mileage. Well, it's 1030.
Let's put it
Well,
this way.
OEM calling for 1030, but I'm putting 1030 full synthetic because I need it in this car. With the amount of miles on it,
When you build a high performance car, do you do OEM parts?
no.
Exactly.
But I mean, I'm not doing high performance. I'm keeping it street legal.
Still street
Look where the starter is compared to the oil filter. Starter's there, oil filter's there. See the predicament I run into sometimes? Is that dying on me?
Yes, it is.
Slowly but surely.
Shirley but slowly. And don't call me Shirley.
Stop.
You like those years here?
Yeah. Man, I don't want this to die. I might have to plug it into the wall, then run my cord over here.
You need a light on it?
No. Oh, come on. Don't cross thread on me, baby.
Keep your finger on a nice girl.
Don't come.
And gentle.
It's going on YouTube.
Oh, okay. Just straight from fucking the flat
Yeah, I know. Yeah. I'm gonna get the ratchet on there. I don't
That's
want
because of what's happening right now. I'm not
Yeah.
trying to teach you anything, but the dirt and shit's fine.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm grabbing a ratchet. And it could give me false torque values too, but oh, that's the way I want it. Just that tight right there. You want it tight as a tiger. Right there, that's good. And dealership calls for an hour to do spark plugs. I started this whole thing at 7:30, and what time is it? 8:10. I should be out here within 20 minutes. Finishing the spark plugs, throwing. I'm bringing the old ones back home and showing my grandmother how bad they are. I have no choice, and I'm gonna bring them into school tomorrow.
Like
That's why I'm doing
Lincoln Tech or something?
Yeah, that's why I'm shooting a video for school.
Oh. Well,
Two.
I'm sorry, all you lovely students. I'm that kind of guy. Anyway.
But yeah,
You know, I changed this yesterday. That motherfucker there.
yeah,
Cap,
camshaft.
the other thing in the back. That was a nightmare thing in the
Yeah,
back.
I know.
Cam, crankshaft. That's a crank sensor in the back. That's a cam, man.
Yeah.
And once again, I can't say it enough.
You don't have dielectric grease, do you?
Yes, I do.
Can I get a little bit?
I guess see how much she's got. It's not mine. If it was mine, I would just give it to you. Make a look.
All right. If he has I just need like.
That's dielectric grease in this.
I just need like 3 squirts to put in the plugs. All right, sorry guys, I'm back. So we're gonna finish up these spark plugs, and then put oil in it. Swap the filter, then put the oil in. And then we're gonna go home because it's late. Yes, I'm recording this video at work after hours. Almost dropped you guys again. You don't want to stay for me now this time, buddy. Ugh. So we're doing a general tune-up pretty much. We should be doing a coil pack as well, but I'm not doing coils because I don't think we need them. But if it still runs rough, I'm gonna try. And this is because my gas mileage sucks right now. But that's why we're doing plugs at least for now. If it still guzzles gas, I'll see about doing the coil pack. Got dielectric? Yeah, I'm gonna let it roll. Yeah, I had dielectric already. No, I'll squirt a little bit. You should. It doesn't need that much in there though. Huh? Block. Huh? What I got on?
Was it seized on there?
Oh, it was seized on there.
Watch that oil pan, they're on the rust. Rust out.
Really?
Apparently it's the common thing.
Well, I mean, mine's already leaking. If you check underneath, you can see where the old wet spots are. Check on that. You can look underneath on that side and check. But I mean, they're leaking like a sieve.
Lights don't look very nice.
Not OEM, by the way.
What, the lights ain't OEM?
Nope.
Oh man, they can't be on this car.
I don't care.
I'm only busting balls.
I know. You can see where it's leaking from.
Oh yeah, that pin's gonna go, dude.
Huh?
That's exactly how mine looked.
Really? How long do you think I got?
As long as you don't hit nothing, nothing comes up. All I did was take a screwdriver and just, slightly,
Yeah.
boom. It's 3 layers of metal.
How much did yours cost?
It was under $100, but it didn't have.
The bolts?
No, I had all the bolts. Inside the oil pan, so the oil wouldn't splash or something. That they called it something.
Yeah. The splash cover?
Yeah, it didn't have that, so the oil wouldn't rush when you hit the brakes hard. So that's probably why it was only whatever. The other one was like 130, 140.
I'll probably. Where did you get yours at?
I think Advanced.
And why am I doing an oil change now if I got to pull the oil again?
I did the same thing. You know what I did? I drained that oil and I reused it. I never ran the car. So.
No, but I mean, I might have to do it. Is it a pain to get the oil pan out or no?
It's not horrendous, but it's not the easiest thing.
But I'm gonna need a lift. That's the only thing.
Yeah. Before I started working here, I had a lift every once in a blue moon. I used to work on the damn ground.
I gotta talk to Jay, see if I can use his lift. Is still recording? Should be. Alright, good. Still recording. Let's get back into it, boys and girls of all ladies. Well, boys.
Especially ladies.
I got some other work I might be posting on here for this car. I got a check engine light that I'm going to be diagnosing here, hopefully. Shorted open wires, possibly in the cooling fan circuit or bad PCM. I've taken a look at it once before and couldn't make headway on it. Yeah, I mean, no, it's just shaky.
No,
Oh, the clip's off?
Yeah, it'll leak.
Thank you for telling me about that. So now I gotta get a.
Yeah, it's gonna. I'm not saying when it could happen, but it looks just as bad as mine does.
Where is my
The ratchet?
ratchet?
There's no ratchet out
I got it.
You know?
No, that's a half inch.
Yeah.
I used a half inch drive to break these off. I had no choice. I wasn't breaking with a 3/8.
Mine came right off, no problem.
Huh?
Mine came off real nice.
No, they did too, but they were stuck. Look at the top, the couple bottom threads. There rust on them. I wonder why they rusted.
This is a fucking Dodge product, Chrysler product. That's why it rusted.
You mean Daimler?
Daimler, Chrysler, whatever.
Daimler, Chrysler, Daimler, Freightliner.
Daimler, Kaka Kuka.
Grab this. He says a pack of 4, but there's only 2 in here because the guy opened the box to give me the 2 spark plugs. Put the 6 in there. But I'm in gas engines class right now, so this video would help me. I'm gonna show kids what I can talk about during the video.
And how old are you again? 18?
18. And I can do spark plugs in less than a half an hour. I started this video, it's like a half hour in right now.
You can look at it that way. A lot of mechanics do. Because you do things by the book.
Yeah.
You know, that's how you
Well, I was just taking this one because I'm showing the viewers. If I wasn't showing the viewers, I would have been done by now. But I need to create the
I don't
content.
do anything about time no more.
I need to create the content for these new mechanics coming out into the field so they can know my tips and tricks for doing these cars. Move that out of the way.
You might have a while for tips and tricks.
No, I know that, but what I learned throughout the years in auto mechanics tree. At least.
How long have you been out in the country? You're only 18. How old were you when you started?
16, 17. I've only known it 2 or 3 years. Let me tell
got you
you.
into it?
I mean, my dad, my grandmother, my dad, my grandfather owned not a company, but he owned, I can see. He owned a dump truck company.
Okay.
So, I mean, that got me going a little bit. Look at that stud right there. I don't know what that stud's for, but look at that. The stud right there.
Mm-hmm. That's for,
struts.
No, these ain't struts, these are shocks.
Shocks, I mean. And my light's about to die.
I ain't got the original front end, I got a 4-link, or a 2-link.
2-link front end?
Mm-hmm.
This is not original front end either. It had a 2-inch lift on it. All the way around.
Yeah, but you still got your stock, whatever.
What, suspension?
Yeah, the arms, control arms coming out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they look stock to me. I got it on the back, so I'm gonna get a 4-link for that eventually. Might jag up the 44s on it.
Oh, fuck.
That would be big on brakes in too.
My socket got stuck on there.
Poop bladder.
Huh?
Poop bladder.
It's a movie called A Bug's Life.
Gotta love doing your own spark plugs.
And pull gently as you do it.
There you go. Good tips and tricks, guys. Just learned another tip and trick.
I try.
Man, I'm sweating, but I'm feeling good right now.
That's it, man. You gotta watch that shit, man.
I mean, I'm sweating, but I mean, I'm having a good time doing these spark plugs.
Nothing got sweat.
Yeah, I got that last one.
Yes, sir.
I gotta put oil in it, drain the filter, and do the rest of the service on it.
Put on the oil filter some oil, right?
Yeah,
Hot
some
rubber.
old oil. I'm putting old oil on it.
Yes, it don't matter. As long as you don't, it's a bitch to get it off. Kind of like you never sees.
Yeah, I know.
Right?
Well, I think I never sees them. I've never seasoned the bolts too, to put it back on the coil. Now when I leave, I just don't forget to put the battery back on. I'll be calling for a jump start. How dumb that'll be of me calling for a jump start when my battery's unhooked.
You're amazed it happens.
I know.
Pulley's gonna go. The idler pulley's gonna go soon too.
What?
Idler pulley's probably gonna go soon
No.
too.
No. Which one's that? This one?
Yeah.
Fuck.
There's actually 2 of them here, I think.
Yeah.
Over there?
No, there's one there's a tensioner. It's a tensioner.
No, okay.
Tension on the bottom.
Yeah, that's the tension, and that's the other pull. Yeah.
Right, we're fucked. I don't know what that other. I mean,
Well, I'm just saying that mine went too. That's the original.
Oh, it did?
69,000, yeah.
I mean, so much stuff's gone wrong on that piece of junk. And your belt. Not going that bad.
no, belts aren't that bad. They were just replaced not that long ago too, so.
It's the little things.
Yeah, I know. It's the little things that can cause big problems in these things, guys. You gotta always do your general maintenance at the right intervals, or if not, you're gonna be kicking yourself in the butt when you're putting a new engine in. Trust me.
Oh, yeah.
I've replaced an engine in my day. You grab a small ratchet. And hopefully, either next video or the one after it, I'm gonna be doing a toolbox tour, guys. So you guys are gonna be seeing what I have in my toolbox to work on street sweepers.
How's your air conditioning work?
Good. Oh, I'm fucking dumb. Lucy, you.
Rotors don't look that bad.
Huh?
Rotors don't look bad. They've been done.
Yeah. Not that long ago, too. They've probably been done like last year, 2 years ago. Well, last year, when I first got the car. I did rotors and brakes on them.
You
All right.
You stop hard?
Huh?
You stop hard, short?
Yeah.
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 Like how I knew that, right? You
Yeah.
know how I knew that?
Yeah.
The brake fluid.
Right.
Look how it looks. Yeah, dark and not shitty.
All I gotta do, brake fluid flush on it.
Well, that's from stopping hard.
And probably I gotta do also is an ABS bleed. Does your scan tool do an ABS bleed?
What's that?
Does your scan tool, does Eric do an ABS
Yeah,
bleed?
man, it's not mine.
I know.
I hate technology.
I know, I do too.
You're a freaking distributor,
Huh?
carburetor.
Distributor, there's no carburetor on there.
No, I said, give me a distributor, a carburetor. And I didn't get to finish it, but I'd be happy. Fuck all this fucking fuel injection shit. I know it's better.
It's multi-port fuel injection from Chrysler.
It's not, it don't matter if it's Chrysler, Ford, Chevy. It don't matter. It's just, I don't like this shit. Like how I have the timing problem over there right now. So
Yeah.
I figured it out. I wouldn't have that problem if it was an old fucking Chevy 350 or a Ford 302.
350, you mean a 5.3 liter?
I don't say that.
Same thing, different bird.
We can talk technical all you want.
Yeah. All right, guys. Spark plugs are in. That's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys like it. Stay. All right, guys. Part 2 of the Jeep. Just trying to get the camera angle set up here for you guys, so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm about to put the ignition coil back on. Come over here real quick. I put dielectric in it, so you can pull these plugs out to give you a better understanding on how these puppies were. Can I grab? Yes, I can grab one. As you guys can see, these were pretty chowdered. Yes, they did have dielectric on them. That's why I chose to put dielectric back in. For the new ones, these ones were champions. I went with OEM NGKs just because, for the fact, I didn't want to put non-OEM parts in there. So OEM, V-Power, spark plugs, resistor style type plug. So let's get back to it. I got, what else do I got left? I got coil back on. I got do the battery and fill it with oil. Take the old oil filter off still. Well, let's get to it. Put the coils back on, make sure the connector's right. Go right way. I'm gonna line the bolt. Gotta put PLCs on them. Oh shit. let's just get these all lined up. The plug for these goes to the back facing down. Let's see if I can do this without knocking the camera down. I can't remember how I got it out. Come on, buddy. I don't want to break nothing here. Let these out of the way. So it's easier for me to slide it in. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Baby, don't make no clicking ass. Ooh, no, I did not. Alright. Let's try this way. Cables, there it goes. Come on, baby. Put that hose out of my way. There we go. Now let's line up the plugs. Those are lined up. Let's see back here now. What I'm trying to do is I'm just repositioning the boots over the plugs right now, because they all didn't get to where they need to be. That one all along. Just lift it up a tad bit. There we go. That one's in the boot. That one's in the boot. That one's not. That one is. That one is. That back one is. This one I gotta get out. There it goes. There it goes. Oh. Yes, guys, there will be a part 3. I gotta stop the video short, but there will be a part 3. All right, guys, I'm back. Old filter right here. I just grabbed the Pro Select 1085, nothing too expensive, just something to get me by. That's what they gave me at the parts store. Wish it was OEM, but can't ever ask for OEM. It has the same filter I had on before. I'm just gonna reach down there, grab a little bit of that dribble in there, finger, and I'm gonna run it around the seal, run through the threads, spin this on, hand tight. I know you guys can't see jack right now, I'm sorry. Doing it off my phone, so I know this whole part series is gonna be jack because you haven't been able to see jack, but I mean, nothing I can do about it. I don't have a camera. I know what you guys use for doing oil changes. I use these filter cups, Harbor Freight. No, not Harbor Freight. Walmart, 10 bucks. I just gotta see what cup fits this size filter. I think it's gonna be this big boy right here. boy. It's bigger than that. Holy hell. These are a godsend. These are locking vice grips. Harbor Freight. Really? This is not going to fit either? Let's try to... Just going to dent it. I don't want to dent it. I get it hand tight, which it is. We got the good soap this time.
Did he finally get some?
It finally came. It was that cross country. You have a filter wrench, hold on. I think this one should be big enough.
The jugs that they get,
I don't know.
better order that shit early next time.
I know.
Don't wait till we run the fuck out, because Vince ain't in no hurry to spend money.
That's tight as I can get it by hand, and that's all I do with filters. Tight by hand. Got the light. Got the light. Got my drain plug. There. Grab you guys. Yeah, macro ratchet. I don't care. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the oil. I know you can see all the wetness under here. I gotta do a oil pan gasket on it. Good. Anymore. So what I'm doing now is put the drain plug back in. Hand tight for now. Let it come in.
About to get here, 8:35.
And then grab the ratchet. Switch it. I just got monkey tight with it. I don't go over tight with these. Like that. Yeah, put oil on it. I'll get the rest of my eyes. Grab the light. Die again. Yeah, there you go. that. Put you guys to face me. Try to face you guys down towards where I'm working too. It's gonna be dark, it is. I'm just gonna put the phone like so. It'll be fine. Charge for the light. Well, nice with the light actually. Still blue. You guys see light? Okay, there's light. Just down the frame. There's the fill hole right there for the oil. What do you got a funnel, guys? There you guys go. You got to see the oil. First off, I'm going to add the 1 quart in. It's 1 quart of, I'm putting in Mobile 1, 1030, NASCAR full synthetic. That's what I use in this engine. This time around at least. Cap. Big boy, 5 quarter. Now, when I normally do this, I'm gonna put the light here. When I normally do this, I always look, make sure that filter's not leaking. Yeah, this one has the. Yeah, this one always has the puncture hole right here. So I'm just gonna pop a hole in it with a screwdriver. And this is 6 quarts as per OEM. Yes, there's the air pockets dribble out. Squeeze out a little quicker, but so I'm going to take some more of the cap off. Now it's pretty much fully open. Now we can do a steady pour in. So it's all in the engine. Now after I already filled the oil up, I was like to set it for about 5-10 minutes. make sure the oil level is good, and then check for leaks. In the meantime, that's doing its thing. I'm gonna go drain the oil pan out of the old oil. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna check the oil real quick and connect the battery up. Alright, let's see, dipstick. Now it is gonna be hard to see because it is clear, but trust me, you saw me put the oil in. Now you're gonna check underneath, make sure it's not leaking out the bottom. Not leaking out the bottom. So let's check this engine oil real quick. If we do. I don't know if you guys are seeing the video, but there is good lubricant on there. So as far as I know, did my job right. All right, guys, let's put the cap back on and do a test start of this. Pulls out of the way. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.